This is the NASDAQ in 5-minute time frame. I'm trading in the New York session. So market is open at 9:30. So this candlestick right here is 9:30. Market is open and then break this high and then pull back to this resistance. So I open the trade after I see this rejection candlestick. I open long right there, and my target is 2 to 1. It is high right here, and then market is keep going and then pull back to the demand area right here. After I see this green candlestick close, I open the trade right here, and my target again is a 2 to 1. So this is how you trade. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.